Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing. Let me tell you a little story. I have a pretty smart home, and one of the things that are not very smart are my smoke detectors. They're horrible. Sometimes they go off, and I don't know which one it is because they're all linked together. I can't use an app to turn it off or see any information about them, check their battery levels or anything like that. So when it does happen, and it surely does every now and then, I have to go and hunt them down and unplug them and see what's wrong with them or replace them. And those smoke detectors are like $25 each, so they're not that cheap to begin with. I've always had an eye on the Nest Protect smart smoke detectors, but those go for $100 a pop. And if you need like 7 or 8 in a house, that's like $800. That's a pretty big investment. So if you see my other videos, I have a Nest. I mean, no, I have a Ring. I have a Ring home security system. So that means I have cameras, keypads, motion detectors, door and window detectors, and a smart hub that controls all of it. So because I have that hub, it allows me to get other Z-Wave devices and set it up. And one of those devices is this right here. So this is a First Alert smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector in one. So because it's Z-Wave compatible, I can hook this up to my Ring Smart Hub and have everything controlled in my Ring app on my phone. This will send me alerts if the alarm goes off. I can check the battery level. I can independently check if it's the smoke detector or the carbon monoxide side of it that's triggering the alarm. And also because of my home alarm protection plan from Ring, which is only like $100 a year or $10 month to month, which is a great deal, by the way, because it includes video footage storage for all of your cameras, no matter how many you have. So that's a great deal. But because of that, I will also get that professional monitoring. So should one of these go off, Ring will dispatch the fire department to come take a look. So here is like the old smoke detector that I had to pull out of the ceiling in my office here because I had no idea, what was causing it, and it looks pretty new. I don't even think I had it that long. But I'm tired of dealing with these for like $25 each. I'm just gonna try this out and maybe like disseminate this around the home. So with that said, let me go ahead and open this up and do the unboxing and maybe show you the setup in the Ring app. From what I hear and read, it's pretty easy. So let's get started. This is what the packaging looks like. You'll see it's Z-Wave compatible. It's the battery set. It does come with the batteries, and it looks like it's front mounted battery so that you can reach it, or side mounted technically, depending on how you set it up. It has a 7-year warranty. I think after 7 years you have to toss these anyways. Here's some features. First and foremost is the wave compatibility, the 2-in-1, which is a smoke and carbon monoxide detection. Front access battery compartment, test and silence button, which they ask you to do weekly. I think that's kind of like overkill. Photoelectric smoke sensor, so it can sense some of the larger particles of a fire. Some of the standards that it meets, I guess. And here is a diagram showing you where you should have smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors around your home. There's a legend right here. All right, let's open it up. So I think pulling this tab right here will do it. A good amount of instructions included here. A warning label about carbon monoxide and how dangerous it is. Some mounting screws and hardware. And batteries. They're Duracell OEM batteries, so it's nice of them to give Duracell batteries and not some cheapo brand. So Duracell alkaline batteries included. And here is the alarm itself. It's pretty lightweight. It's actually smaller diameter wise to my last kid smoke alarm. That's not very smart. So this is what it looks like. This is what the mount looks like. So you can mount it on the wall. Here are some like things for you to hang it on, or you can screw it in on. And there is a, I don't know, if you want to like double side tape it, I don't know, you can try to double side tape, you know, here and here, for those that don't want to drill. You just put it in and turn it, and that's it. It locks. See? Put it in, turn it. You can't turn it anymore. It's locked. That's it. There's the test and silence button that you should press on a weekly basis. There's the two LED lights. One is to let you know that it's carbon monoxide. The other is telling you it's firing because of smoke. Battery tray, so it's nice and accessible. Okay. And there's the orientation for batteries. So for this one over here, the positive side is facing out, and on the one on this side, the positive is facing in. That's all there is to it. So let me just go ahead and pop the batteries in and set it up in the Ring app. There's a nice loud beep to let you know that the batteries are good. So let me hit this test button. It might get really loud. Okay, I hit it and it beeped. It's so loud. Let me turn it off now. So I guess it went from smoke test to carbon monoxide. All right, I just did a quick tap and that time it shut it off. All right, let me go ahead and set this up. Here's what the listing looks like on Amazon, and you can see that it goes for $34.18 currently with free one-day shipping. It's got 4 stars, 788 customer reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.